Alright, peeps. Alright, well, this thing is done to my satisfaction for today. All 415s back in there. Straight, just tunneled. Yeah, that looks like shit. I'm gonna clean all that up. Yeah. Anyway, I'm just letting the sound and air through, man. Loud and pretty. So anyway, this thing's I don't start clipping my amps till about 27 probably. So I may clip in different places now that yeah, that's everything sealed up. Now that it's ported. But basically, same tunnel I had, I just ported it. I kicked it to a 24 degree V, clamshell, and tuned it down to 31 hertz. Alright guys, anyway, I'll put a lot more vids up. This thing's gonna trick like a bitch probably. The other one did good, so. Anyway, it is, I got that one back. Woofer needs to break in, so it's gonna be a minute. Thanks for watching, guys.